Our lives can get really busy, but that doesn't mean we can't have fun with fashion. Go on, jump! Whoa! Talk about taking a fashion leap. When it comes to clothes, forget class. I'm gonna show this getup off. Hey! Give me your money! Nah. Check out this broad. Oh, leaf in eye. It really hurts. That bag's mine. I'm going in! Ha! Phew! Much better. That's what you think. Yep, stay distracted. And… gotcha! So long, lady! I don't think so, mister! Oh boy! Going down! Ooh, maybe I didn't think this through. Sorry? This jerk broke my designer bag! Don't call the cops! Can you believe that guy? What am I supposed to do now? Look at all my stuff! Covered in dirt! Talk about bad luck. My scarf. Looks like it's still in good shape. I bet I can fashion something out of this. One knot here. And more on all the ends. There! I formed a little pouch. Now to tie these two together. A double knot is probably best. Hello, handles! Looks like a new bag to me. Perfect to hold my stuff for now. And it's pretty cute, don't you think? No thief's gonna ruin my day. Oh, is it almost over? Ouch, ouch, ouch! You okay there? What a weakling. It's almost done. Alright, there you go. It's over? Awesome! I look like such a rock star! Wait till everyone sees. Ugh, the sweater's in the way. All that pain and you can't even see it. A sweater? Rookie move. Will it not work? Oh, I hate this stupid thing. Unless… I have an idea! I can use the sleeve to hold the extra fabric up. Then I'll put my arm in this way. See? It opens the entire bottom up. My cool factor just went up a notch. Glad you like it, kid. Thank you, scary tattoo artist! I mean, whatever. It's cool. Whee! I'm so happy! Well, that doesn't sound good. We've seen enough. You're mean! See ya. Let's see. Emma? Oh, I hope I don't throw up. I'm coming! The competition's fierce, huh? I gotta take her out of the running. Just casually drinking my coffee. Whoops! So clumsy! Hey! Are you crazy? Oh, I am so sorry. I can't go in like this! I can't possibly wear this now. Ugh! Now my whole outfit is off. Unless I make a little adjustment. Let me think. I can use the strap to redesign the shirt. See how it fits differently now? Just a little creative thinking. Whoa! Where did she get that top? Her outfit's cuter than mine! Oh No! I'm quitting modeling forever! Deep breaths. Good luck. Whatever. Hey, what's going on in there? I'd better get closer. They're hiring her? Casting is officially closed. What do you want? I'd call a cab if I were you. Did that really just happen? These minor chords just get me. Huh? Another theme party? Is that believable? Now where was I? Yes. Aloha, Betty! Ready for the big luau? Yeah. Sure. Why not? Door that way. You can't go wearing that! It's a party, not a funeral! So? You'll scare away all the guests! Some flowers should soften things. Aloha! Come with me. Are these our options? Interesting. It's freezing in Hawaii, right? I'm kidding. I guess we're staying home then. Stupid pretty flowers. Well, now I feel kinda bad. Oh, Bella? Hello? What? Okay, you got me. Forgive me? You know I can't stay mad. A pink shirt? This was under our noses the whole time! Catch! This? Fine. It probably won't even fit me. See? And there's a giant hole! Why, that's no problem! Have a shirt with a hole in it? Not anymore! Now that it's cut off, we have something to work with. Look how cute these are! Use this extra fabric to create fun tassels. Just tie it in a knot like this. Ta-da! Whoa! This is actually pretty cute! Well done! I really am talented, right? Shall we? You sure I'm doing this right? Think these clothing hacks were clever? They sure do come in handy when you're in a jam. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow fashionistas. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun videos.